Welcome to Cipla Quality Chemical Industries Limited, a state-of-the-art pharmaceutical facility specializing in the production of the latest ARVs and anti-malarial drugs. Cipla Quality Chemical was established in 2005 as a joint venture between Cipla Limited of India, one of the world's largest manufacturer of generic medicines, and Quality Chemicals Limited of Uganda. Today, the venture has attracted two other international investors, Capital Works Investment and TLG Capital Investments. Cipla Quality Chemical Limited is located 12 kilometers east of Kampala, Uganda's capital city, and covers approximately 12 acres of land. On the 8th of October 2007, His Excellency the President of the Republic of Uganda commissioned the plant and in February 2008 flagged off the first batch of ARVs made in Uganda. The plant consists of the main building, a utility house adjacent to the main building, and an effluent treatment center. The utility plant has 3 boilers to supply filtered steam to production, 2 air compressors, 2 chillers to cool the air to required temperatures, and 2 transformers and diesel generators. The main building has 4 floors with the lower ground floor housing the facility's administrative offices. The ground floor has the storage areas for raw materials and finished products, the stability chambers, and the quality assurance department, while the first floor has the main production area. The raw materials are all stored in specialized automated mobile racks, which provide a closed storage system. This system minimizes exposure of the materials to the environment and unauthorized access. All the raw materials used at Cipla Quality Chemical Limited come from the World Health Organization approved sources in the United States of America, Germany, China, and India, among others. Prior to release of materials for manufacturing, analysis is done. Up to 15 different tests are carried out on each raw material to ascertain that the physical, chemical, and microbiome parameters are all within quality limits. There are special areas for weighing the active and inactive materials. Weighing is done under laminar airflow, ISO Class 5. This is a very clean area that protects the product from contamination during the scooping and weighing process. Special lifts have been dedicated for the movement of raw and packaging materials into the production section to ensure there's minimum human contact with the materials, which could result into product contamination. The stability chambers on this floor are where the expiry date of drugs is determined. The access-controlled record room is where documents are stored, and there is a training center as well as where our staff go through rigorous training protocols to continuously be able to deliver results. The first floor is where the heart of the plant lies. It's where the antiretroviral and anti-malarial drugs are manufactured. The highest level of sanitation and environmental control is kept to prevent contamination of the product. The walls have been painted with an antifungal paint called polyethylene, and the floor is a 4 mm layer British epoxy floor that is smooth, jointless, and impervious. The production process starts with granulation. The 6 to 8 hour granulation process turns the powder to granules. The granulation dry or wet process is done by employing the most advanced pharmaceutical technology from Germany using a palm glut fluid bed machine. After granulation, blending and lubrication is done in the octagonal blender to homogenize the granules and provide lubrication for easier compression into tablets. In-process quality control is done at this stage prior to processing on to the next stage. In the second stage, Granules are turned into tablets inside the compression machine. Up to 6 million tablets can be produced in a 24-hour shift. At the end of compression, quality control checks are carried out on the tablets to determine their thickness, hardness, and ability to disintegrate under conditions similar to the human stomach. The last stage of manufacturing is coating, where the actual taste of the drug is masked, and also to prevent the tablet from corroding the stomach walls and being destroyed by the acid present in the stomach. This process takes up to 5 hours. This is done in the highly automated auto-coater machine, which is computerized and has its own inbuilt cleaning system with a robot spraying arm. The final stage of production is packaging. Cipla Quality Chemical Limited has several bulk and blister lines. In the bulk line, tablets are packaged in containers. The blister line, on the other hand, uses blisters for packaging. At every production stage, quality is paramount. Specialized cameras are present in the blister packaging line to detect and reject any defective tablets. At the end of one production process of one product, over 51 processes have taken place, 37 machines used, over 100 personnel involved, and over 200 quality procedures followed. Over 60 laboratory tests, 120 chemical reagents, and 21 machines are involved in the analysis of just one product. The impeccable production processes at Cipla Quality Chemical Limited have been certified by the World Health Organization, the International Committee of the Red Cross, and national regulatory bodies of Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania, Malawi, and Ethiopia. Cipla Quality Chemical Industries. Affordable access to quality medicines.